there, welcome to the Social Media for Business online course. I'm Andrea Chimdi and I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're a small business owner or an entrepreneur or you're someone running a side hustle and just want to use social media to grow your business, you are in the right place. The thing is, social media is not just a tool for staying connected with friends, catching up on the latest gossip, and all of that. It's a powerful way to connect with your ideal customers. It's a strong way to build your brand and drive sales, okay? And what's the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or, have a huge budget to make it work for you. We know that things can just be a bit tough when you're starting out. That's why I'm here to help, okay? So this course, Social Media for Business, is designed specifically for you when you're starting out into your business. You're starting out to learn the ropes of digital marketing for your business, of building your brand online. You who may not those of you who may not necessarily have a marketing background, but you want to be able to leverage the power of social media to grow your business. So what can you expect from this course? What are you looking out for in this course? So basically, we are going to make things very, very simple for you. We're going to break things down into simple actionable steps. So there's going to be a quick overview of what you're going to learn, okay? So first things first, you're going to learn how to choose the right social media platform for your business. We're also going to look at how to create a strong online presence that actually represents your brand. You can have an online presence, but is it actually representing your brand the way you know it should represent your brand? That's another very key thing. So you're going to learn to create a strong presence that actually represents your brand. You're going to learn to understand the basics of content creation and engagement, and then actually put it into practice. You're going to put all of this things you're learning into practice. Then you're going to learn simple strategies to attract and retain the customers. How do you attract customers? How do you retain your customers? How do you make sure that they stay after years upon years upon years? How do you make sure that they keep buying? Then also, how do you learn to stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed? We know it can be stressful, so we're going to learn all of that. And we're also going to learn how to automate different parts of our business. We're going to learn how to run ads, how to set up an online profile that works for you, like a landing page or a website, without having to pay so much. I mean, when you enter, you get to see what we're talking about. Now, I know that anything about social media for your business can feel very intimidating. You'd be like, I don't know what to do. Maybe what I'm doing right now is not working, or I don't even know where to start from. That is why you're here, to learn the ropes and put these things into practice. I'm sure you've attended other courses. I'm sure you've learned other things, right? But now the difference between this course and any other course you must have learned is that as you're doing the course, you're going to be putting it into practice. I'm going to be following up with you. I'm going to be making sure that if I tell you press here, you press. If I tell you do this, you do that. I'm going to make sure you did, because if you don't do it, you're not going to go to the next stage. Okay, you're not going to go to the next stage. So you need to make sure that you're actually doing the work. I'm going to follow you up to make sure you're actually doing the work. Because if you don't do the work, how are you going to make your business grow? Okay? So I'm sure maybe you're even worried about what to post, how to keep up with trends and social media, whether everything, all this is even going to work for my business. Don't worry, I've got you covered, okay? I have got you covered, all right? So, like I said before, this course is going to be very, very practical. It's going to be very easy to follow. It's packed with tools, lots and lots of tools that you can start using immediately from the first lesson. You're going to learn how to do everything immediately, and also we're going to be sharing real life examples of how small business owners have used social media to achieve amazing results. So you're going to be seeing what works and what doesn't work, and you know how to avoid any common mistakes that you may have done in the past. Okay, so are you ready to get started? Grab your favorite drink, your notebook, your writing pad. Let's dive into this exciting journey together, all right? So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and